Shalom, family. Shabbat shalom. So this morning, this text just came across my mind and I wanted to share real briefly. Mark chapter 8, verses 22 through 26. And it's the healing of a blind man at Bethesda. So they came to Bethesda, and some people brought a blind man and begged Yeshua to touch him. He took the blind man by the hand and led him outside the village. When he had spit on the man's eyes and put his hands on him, Yeshua asked, "Do you see anything?" He looked up and said, "I see people. They look like trees walking around." Once more, Yeshua put his hands on the man's eyes. Then his eyes were open, his sight was restored, and he saw everything clearly. Yeshua sent him home, saying, "Don't go into the village." For a thought today, we want to talk about a second touch. Sometimes our healing requires, once again, Yeshua put his hands on him, on the man's eyes. It requires a second touch. Sometimes that first touch doesn't provide a full picture, but the second touch can bring about clarity. Oftentimes when I've read this text, I chuckle. I think, what was the man really seeing when with the first touch? To be seeing men walking around, it just makes me chuckle. But the fact that he needed a second touch, and in that second touch, it says here, then his eyes were open, his sight was restored, and he saw everything clearly. So some of us might be waiting on that second touch. You might have a sense of movement, but not maturity yet. You might see some shapes, but not some structure yet. It's coming. So you have to trust him to know that he can put his hand on you and touch you a second time. It's a second touch that will bring everything together, make the picture completely clear, and you'll see everything clearly. So I just wanted to encourage you today. Yah's got a second touch just for you and me. Shalom, shalom. Be blessed.